Today, I have the pleasure of speaking with Finnish Thompson's Matt Walker, head engineer, and Joel Klippel, vice president of U.S. sales, about the exciting launch of the new UCR and UCP series ANSI-dimensional magnetic drive pumps. Finnish Thompson has been a leader in the corrosive chemical transfer industry for nearly 75 years. So let's dive into how these new pumps align with the company's longstanding commitment to innovation and meeting customer needs. So, Matt, the UCR series redefines durability and safety in chemical pumping. Can you elaborate on the specific features that contribute to this enhanced durability and safety, particularly the pure ETFE encapsulation of the inner drive magnets?
Well, we've done many improvements when we are launching the UCR. We've looked at not just the chemical resistance over the magnets, but also some improvements for pressure containment and pump longevity. But the magnets is something we've been testing for a long time. And the feedback that we've gotten from customers is that some chemistries will permeate through fiber reinforced materials. And for a long time, our pumps did have fiber reinforced ETFE over the magnets, and certain chemistries can attack that. And so it creates a design problem because when you remove the fiber reinforcement, you lose about half the strength and half the stiffness. But if you can tackle those things properly and you can overcome, the stiffness and the strength of pure materials, then you end up with a better product. And we've done that, and that included a change to the design, but also a change to our manufacturing processes so that we could produce a good, reliable coating over the magnets. And we've updated those processes and done extensive testing, and we were able to achieve that and give the customer what they're looking for.
Joel, do you have anything to add to that?
Yeah, well, I guess I would say that I consider the impeller assembly with the pure drive on it the heart of the pump. And if you get permeation, as Matt was talking about, this helps prevent that. And if you get permeation, then that can destroy or cause that impeller assembly to fail. And if this happens, further damage can also occur to the pump bed. So it's really a huge protection against short-term failures of the pump and gives you a maximum life of it. And as Matt said, we field tested this pure drive for several years with 100% success in very harsh environments.
So, Joel, the UCR series introduces an advanced barrier liner. How does this liner's construction, combining pure ETFE with carbon fiber reinforcement, improve the pump's performance in harsh chemical environments?
The unfilled ETFE provides maximum chemical resistance and safety to the operators and the environment. So it helps protect against any leaks that may occur from filled materials, which is the big advancement here. This is also providing the longest reliable service life for the customer in an ETFE constructed pump that's on the market today. And the carbon fiber containment ensures the highest component integrity and safety that we can provide in the barrier containment for this pump.
Matt, your thoughts?
From the design point of view, it's an interesting challenge because the barrier is the component that separates the magnets from the rest of the outer drive and the motor of the pump. But it has to do that and be magnetically transparent. So it would be a simple thing if this pressure container could be made of steel or something like that. But then the eddy currents from the magnetics would heat the fluid and cause a problem pretty rapidly for a customer in their system. Looking at something that has to contain the pressure and yet be magnetically transparent, and then doing it in a pure material, it does cause interesting challenges. We overcame that through strategically adding the outer fiber reinforcements that aren't part of the chemical containment in the areas needed to handle pressure, but also to handle the loads that are on the shafts in the pump. And so we were able to overcome all of that and end up with a barrier that's actually stronger and stiffer than our previous design that had the fiber reinforcement.
So, Joel, the theme of this product launch is You Ask, We Answer. What does this mean in the context of the UCR series, and how will these pumps deliver on that promise?
Well, when we talk to our customers and potential customers, they want high value, long life equipment in pumps in our case, and for the harsh environments that they're in. And our UCR series answers this call by offering the latest advancements in an ETFE lined centrifugal pump that's magnetically driven and sealless. offered in the market today. The pure unfilled material protecting all critical containment on our sealless pump is unique to Finnish Thompson in the ETFE design and to our UCR series as well. So I think this puts us in the best position to serve the chemical market with our current updated design.
Matt, do you have anything you'd like to add?
From the design process point of view, Finnish Thompson has a culture of really wanting to do the best as far as customer service goes and customer feedback. And that includes interviews that we did with all of our sales team, since they have first contact with the customer and our distributors, but also internally interviews that we did with the different departments in Finnish Thompson and the different ways they interact with the product, so that as we were revamping this product line, we could get every improvement we could think of that 20 years of experience in selling ultrachems would give us. So I think that we did that very thoroughly, and we're excited about all of the changes that we made to the product.
So, Matt, the UCR series is described as redefining durability and safety in chemical pumping. In what ways does this new product line address specific challenges or concerns that your customers in various industries have expressed?
Our whole customer base revolves around handling extremely corrosive fluids, and any kind of leak in a system like that is a real problem for safety and for the environment and for productivity. And so anything that we can do to improve the longevity of the containment system really is a major improvement for our customers. So this idea that we could remove the fiber reinforcement from the lining of the pump and get that much better chemical resistance really is an improvement in all of those areas, in productivity and safety and in protection for the environment.
And Joel, your thoughts?
Well, I think, Matt's pretty much summed that up in a good way, but our customers and just the whole climate and chemical safety and things these days, environmental safety is paramount, no fugitive emissions and things like that. You got preventing leakage and maintaining operator safety when transferring dangerous chemistries. Those are all concerns that we safely address in our UltraChem UCR pump line. And speaking again to the productivity, plants are always looking for uptime. They want high efficiency in their plant operations. So that's less downtime, more uptime. And I think that's where our product line can really lend a helping hand in keeping their efficiency in their plant to a maximum level by maintaining, again, the longest life that we can provide in these harsh environments, containing safely the chemistries that they're looking to transfer at various temperatures.
What are the key differentiators in the marketplace between the UCP and the UCR?
The UCR is a highly corrosion-resistant fluoropolymer, and the UCP offers the same reliable design that we have in the UltraChem pump, but at a more cost savings to the customer with polypropylene thermoplastic, where temperatures and chemical resistance is appropriate. So it just offers more flexibility for customers depending on what their price point is or what their requirements are from a chemical standpoint.
What about the UCR or UCP are you most excited about?
It's just really exciting to be able to improve every single component of something we've been making for 20 years. That's not to say that what we've been making isn't good, but we were able to put improvement into every component. And so that's fun from an engineering point of view. Our customers are going to appreciate it. It's going to come out in a pump that is a little bit more efficient, runs a little bit smoother, and has great longevity. It makes it more enjoyable for the plant to build as well. So those are the things I'm most excited about.
Thank you, Matt and Joel, for sharing your expertise about this exciting new series of ANSI-dimensional magnetic drive pumps. For more information, visit finishthompson.com.